Hello Color Kids, welcome to your favorite channel. Let's dive deep into the ocean and learn how to draw some cool sea animals, shark, dolphin, octopus, and tortoise. Ready to begin? Grab your drawing tools, and let's get started. First we draw a sea animal shark. This is shark. Did you know a shark's teeth never stop growing? Coloring a shark. Shark is half black and white. Now we draw a sea animal dolphin. This is dolphin. Dolphins are super smart and can even recognize themselves in a mirror. Coloring a dolphin. Dolphin is sky blue in color. Now we draw a sea animal octopus. This is octopus. Octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood. How cool is that? Coloring an octopus. Octopus is pink in color. Now we draw a sea animal tortoise. This is tortoise. Tortoises can live for over 100 years. That's a long time. Coloring a tortoise. Tortoise is green in color. Great job, everyone! You've just drawn some amazing sea animals. Which one was your favorite? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.